Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vale coming back with another video. Today, makeup freaks, we are going to be doing a eyeshadow using the Wonder Woman palette in celebration of her new Wonder Woman movie. So we are going to use the Wonder Woman face and eyeshadow palette along with the lipstick, which this one is in shade Truth Seeker, which is the purple one we used before. All right, let's jump in and get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
As you guys can tell, I already went ahead and started my eyebrows because I take a really long time to do my eyebrows. I also went ahead and primed my eyeballs, and I used the Urban Decay Thin Eyeshadow Primer Poison. Poison long-lasting eyeshadow base.
Poison?
Pre-prime my lids with the Urban Decay Sin, and this is the eyeshadow priming potion long-lasting eyeshadow base. And we're going to use different varieties of eyeshadow brushes today, from Murphy to BH Cosmetics and one of Tarte. We're going to start off with our first color, which this will be a light champagne color, and we're going to be using it with our BH Cosmetic brush, which is a number 10, and we're going to start off on our brow bone all the way down to our crease. With our BH Cosmetic 129, we are going to dip into this orangey burnt color, which is Truth, and this is going to be used as our transition color on our crease. With our Murphy M505, we are going to blend. With this round head BH Cosmetic that does not have a number, we are going to dip into our brown color, which is Wisdom, and we are going to use it on our outer corner. Now with this BH Cosmetic dual brush, we are going to use the fluffier side, and we're going to dip into our rose gold color. This is Perseverance, and we're going to use it on our lid. With our Tarte brush, we're going to dip into our goldish color, which this is Courage, and we're going to put it on our lid. With our BH Cosmetic dual brush, we're going to use the smaller side to dip into our rose gold color, and this is Compassion, and we're going to use it on our inner corner.
Using our BH Cosmetic Dual Brush again, we're going to use the fluffier side and we're going to use it with the brown color, which is Wisdom, and we're going to pack it underneath the underwater line. With our Morphe E43, we're going to go in with this purpley color, which is Legendary, and we're going to pack it on top of Wisdom, which is the brown color. As you can tell, guys, I already went ahead and did my foundation portion, and the reason I did this is so I wouldn't make the video too long. If you want to see how I accomplished my foundation, I will link a video up above, so go ahead and check that out.
And that is how I created my Wonder Woman inspired eyeshadow look and lipstick. Y'all, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I try to give this palette another chance, but these colors, like the matte colors, is just not doing it for me. Look, it didn't even blend properly. It's just all over the place. Other than that, the shimmery colors are beautiful. The lipstick, if you're not wearing a lip liner, is just very messy, but it's a pretty color. It's very buttery when it goes onto the lips. If you have any questions for me, leave it down below. If you like this video, go ahead and press the like button and share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell so you do not miss any new upcoming videos. And I will see you guys on actually New Year's Eve, so you guys can get ready with me. I love you guys. Bye.